This 2024 Winnebago Ekko 22A is a Class C RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a Boho, red clay, weathered Teak II interior, sleeps 2, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, awning, oven, LP detector, smoke detector, microwave, spare tire kit, air conditioning, water heater, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Winnebago Ekko 22A is built on a Ford Transit chassis and is powered by an EcoBoost engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.